Hello everyone, I'm Tabuzo. Today, I'm preparing Eastern Nigerian indigenous snack called Okpa. Bambara nut, Okpa, is a mouth-watering, healthy and easy to make superfood that is enjoyed by many Nigerians. Okpa is a delicious traditional snack from Eastern Nigeria and very common in Enugu, Nsukka, and Ngo areas. To process Okpa, which is made from bambara nuts, follow these steps. 1. Pick up the nuts. Thoroughly pick through the bambara nuts to remove any stones, dirt, or other foreign materials that may have mixed with the nuts. 2. Grind the nuts. Take the clean nuts to a local mill or use high-powered machine to grind them to a fine powder. Ensure the grinding is smooth for the best consistency. 3. Sieve the powder. Once the nuts are ground, sieve the powder to remove any coarse particles or impurities, ensuring a uniform fine texture. 4. Store. Store the sieved powder in a container and keep in a cool, dry place until you are ready to use it for cooking okpa and other recipes. Ingredients for making indigenous okpa. Okpa flour, 3 cups. Palm oil. You need enough oil to give the okpa a popping yellow color and to improve the taste. Salt and pepper. Please note, okpa does not need much seasoning, so the ingredients listed above are all you need. Onions, seasoning cubes, and crayfish ruin the natural delicious flavor of okpa. Now, watch as I show you the detailed steps of making okpa. Firstly, scoop 3 cups of okpa flour into the bowl and add salt and pepper. Mix well and add palm oil until every speck of powder is coated in oil. The mixture should have a vibrant yellow color. Start adding the lukewarm water gradually to the okpa flour. Please watch closely to see how. Turn and turn. Keep turning. Then gradually pour in warm water and turn. Turn and turn. Keep turning until you get an elastic consistency. Turn until you get a texture that is close to a thick tea. Now to a major step, wrapping the okpa. Make sure you stir the mix. Scoop into the wrapper, tie with the string, and put into the pot of boiling water. Repeat the above step for the rest of the mix. And place the wrapped okpa in the pot of boiling water. This is important that the okpa is completely immersed in the hot water. When done, cover the wrap with more leaves. Cover the pot and start cooking on medium to high heat. Cook for at least 1 hour before checking it. The okpa is done when it is solid all over. Very, very delicious. That's it. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Till I come your way next time. It's bye-bye from Tabuzo's Corner. Remain blessed.